plant friends, welcome back to Leafy Life. If you love peace lilies as much as I do, you're in for a treat today. We're going to chat about how to propagate these gorgeous plants so you can spread the green goodness around your home or even share with a friend. Section 1, what you need. Alright, before we get our hands dirty, let's grab a few things. You'll need a clean pair of scissors or a knife, a small pot with some drainage holes, fresh potting mix, and of course, water. Peace lilies are pretty chill, but they do appreciate a good setup. Section 2, choosing the right plant. Now, when it comes to propagating, you want to start with a healthy, happy peace lily. Look for one with strong, vibrant leaves and a solid root system. If your plant has started to develop multiple crowns, that's a sign it's ready to be split up. Section 3, dividing the plant. Here comes the fun part. Gently take your peace lily out of its pot and give the roots a little shake to loosen up the soil. You'll want to find a natural division between the crowns. These are the spots where you can separate the plant. Take your time and make sure each new section has its own roots. It's like giving your plant a little family of its own. Section 4, planting the divisions. Once you've got your divisions, it's time to plant them in their new homes. Pop each one into its own pot with fresh soil, making sure the roots are tucked in nicely. Give them a good drink of water to help them settle in. Think of it as a housewarming gift. Section 5, aftercare tips. Now that your peace lilies are all set, find them a cozy spot with bright indirect light. Keep the soil moist but not too soggy and watch them thrive. In no time, you'll have beautiful peace lilies that are ready to brighten up any space. And that's it! Propagating a peace lily is really that simple. If you enjoyed this little plant chat, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear how your propagation journey goes in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more plant care tips from Leafy Life. Until next time, keep growing and glowing.